In this short video, I will show you how to increase your maximum file size for your WordPress website in your hosting as cPanel. This is my hosting as cPanel, and you need to log in your cPanel first. This is my hosting, and I need to log in my cPanel. This is my cPanel, and then you need to go advanced option. Press on advanced and select PHP configuration. Press on it and then select PHP option. Scroll down and this is the upload max file size. Now 1024 M, and I can increase it 1536 M. You can increase more by contacting your hosting or support team. So this is my maximum, so I need to select this one only and then press on save. PHP option update successfully. It's done. Hope video helpful. Please like and subscribe, and if you have any question, feel free ask in comment section below. Hope you enjoy. Thank you.